Guess who's back? This one. We're doing another one. We're doing another hair dyeing video. I'm excited. So I think last week or like 2 weeks ago, or I don't even know when, I stripped out all of the blue or remaining blue from my hair, and I am left with kind of this beigey blondie color. I'm really not minding it, but I'm also really not a blonde person, so today we're gonna dye it. When I stripped out the blue hair, I had kind of an idea as to what I was going to dye my hair to, but I didn't have a really concrete plan. I just knew I wanted it on kind of like a warmer spectrum because I've had the blue for I think like 4 months now. I reached out to Arctic Fox and they were like super happy with the idea. They were like, we have like a ton of colors obviously that you can choose from. If you want, try them out. So Arctic Fox sent me 2 massive boxes full of dye. Actually, they were only meant to send me the one. However, it got stuck in customs and I kind of urgently needed the dyes. So they very quickly sent me another one the very next day. So now I have 2 massive boxes full of their dyes. I had a run through of their colors. They are all very, very beautiful. I made some swatches. I kind of settled on this one up here, maybe mixing in a bit of this one. Ironically enough, this one up here is a color called Orange, and in the color itself it comes like this. It's basically like a neon orange color, and even here it looks quite vibrant orange, except when I actually swatched it, it's quite a pale color. I decided that I'm going to mix in a tiny hint of poison into it just to liven it all up, and this is kind of a brick red color. Also adding in a white conditioner into the mix just to dilute it a bit and also to condition my hair. 2 days ago, I swam in a chlorinated pool, and then I decided I'm going to wash out this chlorine in the hotel showers, which only had a hotel shampoo in it. This is my hair. I did not put any conditioner in it. I did not put any leave-in in it. It just smells like chlorine. I don't know. It's a bit fluffy. Semi-permanent hair colors, which is what these are literally only pigment and conditioner. They do not require an activator or a developer, which is basically what forces open the hair cuticle and whatever. So this is a pretty good thing for my hair at the moment, as well as the white conditioner that I will be mixing into it. I'm really freaking excited for this video because I'm bored of my hair again. If you want, I'm going to be linking the entire process down description box below, as I always do. You can definitely check out more of Arctic Fox's colors on their website, and if you happen to like anything, you can use my coupon code Stella10 to get 10% off your purchase. I'm gonna jump straight into this video because I'm kind of bored and excited. So without further ado, let's paint our hair. My hair is dyed. It looks a bit less like horsehair, and now I'm going to leave it sink in. With semi-permanent hair color, you don't really have a timeline. It's really whenever you feel like it's penetrated enough. I'm probably gonna leave this still for around 40 to 45 minutes, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Although, look at me. What kind of a stylist am I? I did it all the way on my pants as well. Stella's looking summery. So here it is, guys. Here is my new beautiful orange peach transformation that I am so seriously in love with. Oh my freaking god. If it wasn't December, this would be such a cute summer color. It's actually showing up quite a bit darker on camera. I don't know why, but it's like the perfect peachy, orangey, pastel orange that I'm so in love with. Oh my god, I'm seriously, legitimately so in love with. It's such an uplifting color, I think. It's like the minute you see it, it's like a ray of sunshine, honestly. You see someone with like a beautiful like orange color that is not like brassy and it's not like unintentional. It's like it'll just give you a smile. You know, it's a bit unique, but it's also kind of, it's very like livable. It's something you could very easily get away with. In person, it does have hints of pink, so some of it does look kind of more on the rose gold side. I'm not sure how the camera's picking it up, but I am definitely getting like a hint of pink, so I'm very, very grateful that I put in the poison dye into the orange dye. But yeah, that's it. I feel so cute. I made my makeup look a bit too intimidating, I think, for this hair look. I don't know why. Look, it looks so cool. I've got the roots going on and they blend freaking amazing with it. I got these cute little beach moment going on. I even put in, wow, this is really badly timed. It's freaking the 29th of December, right? Okay, I'm gonna starting the year with freaking summer hair. Whatever. It's summer in Australia. That's all that matters. I'm going to be linking the entire procedure down the description box below. It was very, very simple. It was very straightforward. Basically, whenever you're playing around with semi-permanent dyes, whatever you get in the bowl is whatever, you know, it's not going to like oxidize or change color or whatever. So you can get pretty creative with the color. I'm going to be linking the colors directly below. As I said, you get 10% off your purchase if you do use Stella 10. So feel free to do so. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you sincerely will give this a go because it's such a beautiful color. And I will see you in my next video.